One element of nearly every crime is criminal intent. With general intent crimes, the prosecution only needs to show that the defendant voluntarily intended to commit the criminal act. But with specific intent crimes, the prosecution not only needs to show that the defendant intended to commit the criminal act, but also that the defendant intended the consequences of the act. A defendant's mistake is a defense to this element. A man believed he got divorced, tied the knot again, and was tied up in knots over his mistake, in United States v. Oglivie. Army Staff Sergeant Mauricio Oglivie was stationed in Panama and married Amparo. Then the Army transferred Oglivie, but Amparo stayed behind. Oglivie petitioned for a divorce in Oklahoma and mailed a copy to Panama. After Amparo received the petition, she called Oglivie and told him that she also filed for divorce in Panama. A few weeks later, the Red Cross informed Oglivie that Amparo was hospitalized, referring to Amparo as Oglivie's ex-wife. Oglivie told the Army's finance clerk that he shouldn't receive the with dependents allowance anymore because he was divorced. The clerk told Oglivie he needed to provide a divorce decree. Oglivie copied someone else's divorce decree and altered it to make it look like it was his, but Oglivie didn't change the names in the case caption. He filed the altered decree with the allowance rate change request. Then, Oglivie married Jacqueline and requested the with dependents rate again. Military authorities charged Oglivie with several crimes under the Uniform Code of Military Justice related to his marital status. The charges included bigamy, altering a public record, and 2 instances of making a false official statement. The first arose from Oglivie's statement to the clerk that he was divorced. The second arose from his statement to the clerk that he remarried. Oglivie pleaded guilty to altering a public record for the changed divorce decree. At his court-martial for the other charges, he testified that he believed he was divorced because Amparo told him about the Panamanian divorce. The military judge convicted Oglivie, who appealed, arguing he believed that he was divorced.